I have always said that January is my least favorite month of the year. Some people hate October or October because everything bad happens, then the weather changes. I disagree. I say it's January. Even the name, January, it's like you're puking. Bleh. It sucks. The weather is bad. That's when I personally feel the worst out of any time of the year. And everything that can manage to go fucking wrong, it always happens in January. I hate the month of January so much, and I always have. So, with that said, it's the 28th of December, so we're a couple days away from January. So, on the 26th, we heard a noise coming from this room, and it sounded like rum, 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 rum. So we come down here, and the furnace is fine. So we come over to the hot water heater, which for the record, it's an A.O. Smith, which is the same brand as the one at my old house. However, the one at my old house was like 30 years old. The last time it was inspected was 2/22 of 02, so February 22nd, or the 22nd of February, if you use correct way. Codes, blah, blah, blah. So, here it is. It's 20 years old. So, this right here is a pump. I believe, I forget the name of what it's actually called. It's a power pump, basically. So we come down here and we hear that this thing is going rum, 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 rum. Basically, this right here pumps the water out of the tank and gets it up into the pipe up there, which is where it goes to all the sinks and all the showers and, you know, all the stuff that requires hot water. So we hear it, and I'm sorry, it's 8:10 in the morning, I just woke up, and we're like, well, that's not good. So we had called a couple people, and we said, you know, we need a new pump. And, you know, they were like, all right, maybe we can get one, whatever. So yesterday, it's doing it on and off. Rum, rum, rum. And then it stops. And then it goes. So, basically, there's the efficiency guide from 2002. Essentially, last night I was washing up, and I completely forgot about this. It was, you know, 10:30 at night. Now, it has historically taken... Hey, it shut off. It has historically taken a long time to get hot water in this house. My mother's shower, the master bedroom shower, it takes like 5 minutes. She said, I turn the shower on, I go get undressed, I, you know, brush my teeth, and then I get in. My shower takes about 30 seconds. My sink, you can forget about it. It takes like... You know what I do at night? I brush my teeth. I turn the water all the way to hot. I floss my teeth. Usually by the time I'm done flossing my teeth, it's hot. Other than that, it's just lukewarm. Well, this morning, the entire thing died. And this is the type of water heater that can't... The pump... Yeah, see? There you go. It's trying, but it can't. The pump can be replaced, but this type of water heater relies... There's a nice startup sound. This type of water heater relies on the pump. So that does in fact mean we have to get an entire new water heater. It's gas, obviously. You can see the gas lines running to it. Shit. It's got like a little outlet up there with just one outlet for it. So, we're calling some people. One place said they couldn't get anyone out here until the 10th of January. That's not going to work. So, we are going to be out of hot water for a little. I can shower in cold water, it's just not my preference. So that's going to be an interesting one. I don't know, though. I know Finnish people, they like to dive into freezing cold waters. I think it's good for you. It helps, you know, it wakes you up. Helps your body. So, yeah. That's our adventure for today. Our entire fucking water heater has to be replaced. Now, granted, this is a 20-year-old water heater. The house was built in 2001. It's original to the house. Or I guess 2002, if that's, I don't know. Well, then, you know, it's about to be 20 years old. If it's 222, then, you know, it's just about to be 20 years old. But, yeah. Our entire fucking water heater died. And the average lifespan of a water heater... I'm sorry, I haven't even had my coffee yet. The entire lifespan of a water heater is supposed to be 6 to 12 years, and this is 20. The one in our old house, it was an A.O. Smith, but it didn't have a pump. It was an older style A.O. Smith. It was probably 30 to 35. It was probably from the early 90s. So, there was the furnace again. So, that's it. No more A.O. Smith. Energy saver. Bullshit, whatever. Gas water heater. How big is this water heater? Does it say? I think I just stepped on something. How old is this water heater? It uses less than 5 amps. ANS 7 Z2110C-1996 water heaters. From McBee, South Carolina. Only a town of South Carolina could have a town called McBee and get away with it. It's bigger than the one that was in my old house, but I would still rather have a bigger one, but I don't think we're going to get a bigger one. So that means I gotta clean the workshop and get basically a path cleared to get a damn water heater down here, which is gonna be fun. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.